Hey, you have to get your makeup done real quick? Okay, yeah, no, that's fine. But full disclosure, I don't have like my usual materials, so we're just gonna have to work with what we have, okay? Is that fine? Okay, perfect. So let me see what I have here. Alright, we're just gonna put a little primer on. This is a little glittery, but it should still work. It should be fine. Just gonna, yeah, to kind of give you like that bronze look. You might look like if you were Bella with a tan. Okay, and we're just gonna rub that in and just get it nice and smooth for you, okay? So, where are you going today? Oh, okay. Is it gonna be full there? Nice. Yeah, lately I haven't really been going places unless there's like a little snack, a little treat or something there. Which probably isn't in the long run. It probably isn't healthy because, it leads to like me overindulging every now and again. But that's just me. You don't have to worry about that. So I should probably start going to places that aren't always serving food or anything, but you never know with me. Okay, now I'm gonna brush your eyebrows back. Let me just see what I have here to do that. Okay. Alright. So I don't have my spoolie, but I do have the end of this fan. If we just kind of open it up a little bit, it's kind of like a spoolie. So we don't want your eyebrows to move at all tonight, so we're gonna go in with this, alright? I'm just gonna okay. I'm just gonna just gonna okay. Now, just want those brows to dry down a little bit, so we're just gonna You're probably expecting me to use the fan, huh? No, this is better. Perfect. Okay. Now, I do want to spray like a little bit of a prep spray first. So, I'm just gonna, this should work. This should get the job done. No, this isn't perfume. Don't worry. It's completely safe for your skin. No, don't worry about it. You're good. I didn't spray a lot. Okay, so we could even just wipe a little bit off. We're just gonna see, you're all good. Now, I do still have a little leftover concealer on here, so I'm just gonna go right in under your eyes, okay? Just gonna perfect. The color is a little off, but I think with a little orange, we can fill that in, okay? Just gonna go in really quickly and just and it might look a little streaky now, but I'm gonna blend it out, okay? Okay, and then go back in with that sponge. Just perfect. Now, foundation. Let me see what I have. What can I come up with really quickly? Yeah, so I have these roses. They've been drying for quite a while now. I love me a good dried rose petal. Love me roses in general, but these, they still like have a little bit of pollen on them, so the color kind of comes off. But then the roses, they actually were like a dual color, so it does have a little bit of like that yellowish orange in there. So I think this color mixed in with this, honestly, maybe a little bit of pigment from the dried leaves, it all should probably come out to a really good skin tone for you. So I'm just gonna go in with this, okay? So it's just gonna then get a little bit from the side and just actually, I'm thinking we might have to stipple this to really get it on there nicely. So just gonna stipple, 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 and just stipple, 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 stipple. Okay. Just a little bit over here. Stipple, 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 stipple. Perfect. Now, you know what? Actually, I think I could just really blend it in, okay? And I really want to get those colors. I want your contour and then the foundation to really blend in well. So I'm just gonna really mix it in on the edges, okay? Okay. That's working perfectly. This actually is like your perfect shade match. You know what? I have another one, so you can actually take that one with you when you leave, okay? Well, this is a late night makeup session, so it's okay. You need a little bit of blush. Just take a little bit from here and just. No, this is perfectly sanitary. A little on your nose. Perfect. What if I could take that back? Oh no, this is a different shade. You can't use this as blush. That would look crazy. It's the one in the center. Good enough for now. Okay, so we need foundation. You need contour. You know what? Actually, I have this ring, and it kind of like stains a little bit. It was made from a rock, so I think if I just kind of grind this on your face a little bit, you should get a little darker pigment. More like contour, yeah. So we're just gonna. It hurts a little bit. Take a deep breath, you're fine. Beauty is pain, as they say. A little under your nose tip. Okay. Now for eyeshadow. That's a good question. Okay, I'll have a little bit of. This is where like I burn like my herbs and stuff. I'm just gonna take a little bit. We're just gonna. And then for eyeliner, perfect. We're actually just gonna take this burnt match and just look up for me. Okay. Perfect. You'll get used to the feeling. I know it's a little weird. And actually we're gonna do you a few little faux freckles too. I have this floss pick. I didn't use it yet, so you should be in the clear. And I'm gonna take a little bit of that brown right there. We're just gonna give you a little. And spread them out. A little more. Spread them out. Just a little bit more, okay? Right there on the nose. Just spread them out. Oh no, mine? Yeah, they're real. But I could add a few extra, but I used it on you already, so. You know, I try to keep things a little sanitary, so I'll just stick to a different one. Yeah. Au natural, but I do like to add a few extra just to give a little more life. Okay, so now you really just need a little lip gloss and then setting spray. For lip gloss, no, you can't use the one I just had because I just don't think it might not be the right shade, but see how this one kind of blends out with that one. You know what, just come here. There we go. Perfect lip combination for me to you. Now, setting spray. Yeah, just need like a nice little spritz. Yeah, just close your eyes, close your eyes. smells really good, I know. No, this is a different perfume. It's not as strong as that one. You're completely fine, don't worry. Yeah, it's gonna keep it in place. It's gonna keep it in place. It has a little bit of alcohol in there, I believe. So you're good. You know, alcohol makes your makeup stay. So really, I just helped you. It's hot outside. So you look amazing now. I think you should put on some earrings. So here you go. Just clip that. And here you go. Just clip that as well.